to collect the runner-up trophy. Put your hands together for the one and only Abhishek Bachchan.
È cosa fa di gente?
It's not for football, it's not hidden. You'd see with the eyes now, you'd see him supporting one football club, Chelsea. Big fan, and here, of course, always with this team. Could I request the captain of the All Heart Football Club, the man who finally got his name out of the score sheet, someone who's got a 98 rating in FIFA by his own admission. Put your hands together for the winning captain, Virat Kohli.
मोटोवर हाई पड़ गया
Absolutely ecstatic Virat Kohli there, making up for last season's result, which he was not happy with at all. So the champions are the men in orange.
Our signature. It's just not really nice.
मेरे को स्क्रीन होगा
Don't fade away.
तेरा भी बोला